We are here to study topic development of dicot embryo. Okay, we are see here the cell which is zygote. Okay, zygote is formed after fertilization. Okay, after fertilization, embryo undergo several developmental changes and form a zygote. Then zygote is divided mitotically and produce two cell stage. Okay, produce two cell. One is basal cell at the micropillar end and second is terminal cell at the chalazal end. Okay, then again these two cells are mitotically divided and basal cell transversely divide and terminal cell is longitudinally or vertically divide and produce 7 to 10 suspensor cells. Okay, the apical cell, which is at the micropillar end, this cell produce 7 to 10 suspensor cells which is divided longitudinally. Okay, and the chalazal end, which is terminal cell, produce 2 cell embryo. Then from 7 to 10 suspensor cells, the uppermost cell of the suspensor cell is enlarged. It is called as hostoria. Okay, hostoria is produced and embryo is shows mitotic division and 4 cell embryo is developed. Then lowermost cell from suspensor cell called hypophysis. Okay, which is after produce a root cap. Then we are see structure of hostoria suspensor cells hypophysis, and after mitotic division from 4 cell 8 cell embryo is developed, which is also called as octant. Then function of suspensor cell is it pushes the embryo into endosperm to get nutrition. Then hypophysis give rise to root cap, and after 8 cell stage again mitotic division occur. Outermost layer anticlinically divide. Okay, outermost layer of embryo is anticlinically divide. This layer called as dermatogen. Okay, outermost layer of the embryo from anticlinally divide, it called as dermatogen. Dermatogen after form epidermis. This is our structure of globular embryo. Then from this globular embryo several structural changes are occur and produce heart shaped embryo. Okay, then after heart shaped embryo structural changes again occurs and produce horseshoe shaped embryo. Then we are see two cotyledons clearly from this structure. Okay, root cap is formed from hypophysis. Then radicle is produced, which is after form a root. Okay, then plumule in between two cotyledons, which is produced after shoot or apex. Okay, and this two cotyledonary structure is developed. See the structure of mature embryo of dicotyledons. Okay, so this is our structure of dicot embryo. Thank you.